Hello all. So today we are going to discuss about Yes Bank's quarter 2 results, which just came on 23rd of October. So as per I already posted a brief discussion about Yes Bank, how you can invest in this bank and what are the parameters you need to look for before investing in the a private sector bank. It was the fourth largest private sector bank before it go into difficult times, which before pre-COVID times. So let's go to the point faster. So which is Yes Bank quarter 2 financial year 2021, which was ended in 30th September 2020. So this quarter was quite good for Yes Bank from their previous levels, which was on 2020 financial year 2020. So let's look the top 10 parameters, which was I have figured it out, which will be better for you to understand that you can invest or not in this bank. The first parameter I can say that this is a good sign of this bank, which is net interest income. Interest income it is at 197 1973 crores from the financial quarter 1 2021, which was at 1908 crores. Quarter on quarter growth is 3% of net interest income. Total advances, which is around 1,66,923 crores. Previously, it was in first quarter it was around 1,64,510 crores. So 1% grew in total advances also. CASA ratio is a big issue in Yes Bank, which is not growing a little bit. It is around 24.8% in quarter 2 financial year 2021. Net interest margin also little bit stable, not that much growth in net interest margin, which is around 3.1% in quarter 2. So cost to income ratio, the fifth point, which is also grown, and it, not that much grown, but 49.3% at from that pre-COVID levels. Yes Bank. And the seventh point is provision coverage ratio, which is also we can say 70.55 75.7%, which is grow a little bit 2% higher before that March 31st March 2020, which was around 73% to 75.7% in quarter 2. So it is also good. The main important aspect of this bank, which was grown them so low in the previous year end, so which was NPS, which was a big role in any banking sector of the bank, that if the NPS, not non-performing assets, are growing, then the bank is is not in good condition. So the net NPA of Yes Bank has is coming down, which was around 5.03% in in previous financial year. Currently it is coming down. In previous quarter it was around 4.96%. Now it is coming around 4.71% in quarter 2, which is showing the good signs of this bank. So that is also a good sign for the bank. And so 4.71%, and it keeps if it keeps coming down in the coming quarter also, then it is a very good sign for the bank, for its recovery and its investors and all the management, which is doing a good job in from this financial year start. Whether it is COVID or not, they are doing a very good job in handling the financial and operations of this bank. So net NPA also coming down. Capital adequacy ratio, which is also a big parameter for the any bank which is which is running in India. So it is capital adequacy ratio is also growing up, like currently in this quarter it is around 19.9%. So it is a very good sign for this bank, Yes Bank. And previously it was around 8.6% in quarter 1. FY 2020. So it is also a good sign for Yes Bank. So I urge to, if you want to take fundamental risk in this bank, so you can take. And currently it is trading around another time lower at that their which was it was around 12 to 1240 rupees. It is a good level to buy the stock and hold for the long term, not for the short term. Short term trades are for the traders who can buy low and sell high in short period of time. For the long term, you can build wealth in this bank. So it is also a good sign for tech capital adequacy ratio to growing up. And few major industries have taken a good uh, bold step by getting a stable rating for this bank, just like rating agencies like Moody's, ICRA, and India Rating CRISIL also given a stable rating, triple B rating for this bank, which is stable for the current period of time. Stable is good, not not in negative impact. Stable, slowly and stable. It is a good sign for this bank to recover from their whatever issues was came in the picture in previous year. So it is a good sign for the rating agencies also to give good ratings for this bank in stable manner. So, and the biggest point, Yes Bank has declared in this quarter two financial year 2021 results that their profit after tax, PAT, which is called in short form in financials, profit after tax is at 129 crores uh, for this quarter, which is 2.8 times grown from quarter on quarter. 2.8 times grown from quarter on quarter, which is a very good sign also for this bank, Yes Bank. 129 crores that profit after tax has declared. So bank is doing good and working very well for the investors and all the customers which are having their savings and current accounts in the bank. CASA ratio is key point, but it is not as good as showing in other their peer banks. So CASA ratios, they will, I'm sure they will improve because the management is doing very good job. MD and CEO Prashant Kumar doing wonderful good job, as he was previously in SBI in a good position. So Yes Bank quarter two financial year 2021 results. I have taken this few parameters which is showing a good sign for this bank. If you like this video, then do share with your friends and family members. Like and share and subscribe for this my channel. And for more information videos like this, or if you need to give me more about any other bank or any other company which you need to cover me up, so please mention in your mention in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe and thank you.